Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a List Infinity review. But not only that, I wanted to update you on some important information that I received. Some information that came across to me from the owner of List Infinity to help people build momentum online and actually start building their email list by just basically giving away a free PDF. And I'm going to show you guys what that looks like and how you can actually incorporate this into your business to start getting more leads and generating more sales online, whether it's using free method or paid advertisement. So right now, what I'm showing you is $14,121 that I was actually able to send over to my bank, mainly from this opportunity. This is one of the opportunities that I've been promoting for quite some time. And if you look at my playlist on my channel, you'll see where I put together my journey with List Infinity. And not only that, I broke down how to run free traffic with List Infinity, some of the methods that I've used, but not only that, how to get started once you set up your free account. So with List Infinity, you are signing up with a free account, and then you are able to join at the $25 level, the $50 or the $100 level, which is the pro level. Once you join this opportunity, you are going to be able to receive unlimited payouts for the level that you join at and anything that's beneath that level. So one of the things that I love is the fact that you can literally pay once and get paid over and over and over again from the people that join you into this opportunity. And here again, I was able to have $14,000 sent out to my account. I actually had a $100 payment that came in today, not too long ago, and they are very consistent. And not only that, I love the fact that it's teaching people how to build their list. And while they're building their list, they're able to learn about traffic generation strategies and how to maintain consistency to push you to $10,000 a month using free advertisement. Now, a lot of people come to me and they want to know, Amanda, what do you use mainly for your advertisement? I use mainly free traffic sources. Okay. I used to do solo ads and I used to buy clicks, and that really didn't work for me. I also tried using Facebook ads. I got my ads account shut down. I tried YouTube ads. I had my account shut down because you have to strategically know how to place ads and what to place. And sometimes it can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars in order to understand or learn how it works. Now, what I realized is that being in this affiliate marketing space since 2015, it is easier and more simplified to use organic free traffic strategies. The reason why: it allows you to build your lists consistently. The people that you are building your list with become sometimes long-term clients or members because you are building that know, like, and trust factor. Not only that, you don't have to worry about putting out money every week or every 2 weeks for paid advertisement. And when you are building up organic traffic, you get people that spend more money with you and they come in at the higher levels because of the know, like, and trust factor. Where when you are just sending clicks to a link, to someone's email list, these people don't know you. They don't know anything about you. They're just looking at the offer. And one of the things that I've learned is that people do not buy into offers, people buy into people. So more than likely, if you see an opportunity that you like or an opportunity that you've gotten started with, you join because of the person that introduced the opportunity, not so much of the opportunity itself. You may have seen it 100 times, and maybe 100 different people was promoting that opportunity. And it was one person or maybe a couple that really piqued your interest to want that made you want to join the opportunity. So we realized that with organic traffic and free traffic generation strategies, you're able to build a really concrete foundation and a solid team that can allow you to earn over and over and over again from that list that you have created. So I received an email, and this is what came in, which was a 3-page PDF that the owner is going to allow you to rebrand and use it as a giveaway to get more sales, and not only that, build your email list. So here at the bottom where it says click here to create your account, you'll be able to put your information here. And when people create their free account, they'll be creating their account through your affiliate link. Okay. So this information, and I'm not going to go through this because they want you to basically get it for free by collecting, getting the email. But it just gives you some information, some basic information about what you will receive when you become a paid member. So you can get unlimited $100 payments per referral. You are able to get done for you lead capture pages. You also have your email campaign, which they actually put together for you, and then you have step-by-step training to get free traffic from Facebook and also solo ads if you decide to use that. So this is about letting your customers write your email, and basically it goes through the ups and downs of email marketing and what you can basically do if you really get into email marketing and you really focus on building a list. I always tell people this: the money is in the list. The reason why is because if a person looks at your opportunity, and just think about yourself, you may have seen this several times, or you may have seen it more than once. And from the time that you purchase something and the time you see something for the first time, it normally takes a person 5 to 7 or even more times to see that information before they make a decision to buy. The only way that you can tap on that person's door, but not literally tap, but get into their brain to keep reminding them about your opportunity, is by sending them emails over and over and over again, so that if they decide not to buy this week, they may make a decision to buy next week, but you're always there right in the palm of their hands, whether it's through their email or text messaging, letting them know that you have an opportunity that you would like for them to join. So with List Infinity, what you want to do is basically capture as many emails as possible. And once you start capturing these emails, allow List Infinity system to do the rest of the work for you, which is spitting out those emails consistently until someone makes a buying decision. So with List Infinity, it is a really simple step or system to set up. You're going to complete your setup system. They take you through step by step. It shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes to complete this. You're going to build your email list by clicking on one of the lead capture pages that they give you. I tell people all the time, go with the one that you like, the one that resonates with you the most, that you want to use. They give you a lot of different options. And then you're going to start getting paid either at the starter level, which again is $25, the advanced level, which is $25, and then you have the pro level, which is $100. And you can also upgrade at any time. So if you come in at one of the lower levels, you can pay the difference and upgrade to the next level. Okay. And what I love is that these are low ticket items. So it doesn't take people hundreds of thousands of dollars to start building their lists. And not only that, being able to get the training that's going to teach you how to correctly build your email lists, where there are other opportunities that charge hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to show you how to build your email list and to show you exactly what you need in order to be successful online. Not only that, to build out your funnel, you're going to be able to do that step by step. And you're not going to have to worry about typing up emails, creating emails, or loading your emails, because the system does that for you. And that's a plus for a lot of people who are not savvy when it comes to email marketing. Maybe you don't know how to put together emails or how to transfer those emails into your autoresponder. You don't need that with List Infinity. It's pretty much done for you. So if you want to take a look at this information, you want to get access to the PDF to be able to resell it, just become a member. That's all you need to do, is make a decision to work the opportunity consistently, to stay focused with the information that they give you, learn as much as you can and apply as you go, and you'll start to see results coming in. The link is in the description below, but also my contact information is there as well. If you want to reach out to me and ask any questions, or just let me know, hey, it's so-and-so, I'm here to get started. I'm so glad to connect. I would love to hear from you. Even if you're just getting started, feel free to reach out to me, because I am a real person and I want to make sure that you are successful. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Hit the notification bell so that you receive a notification when I put out future videos, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside of List Infinity. Thank you so much and have a great day.